We're doing a flat roof repair in the Old Cloverdale area of Montgomery, Alabama. This is a historical area. This was an old flat roof that had a lot of problems for a lot of years. We ripped all the old layers of roofing off. We installed a cover board. Let's look at the cover board over here. This is what's called R-Tech fan fold cover board. We mechanically attached it to the roof deck. We took all the old roofing down right to the original deck, replaced rotted plywood, and put this cover board down. And then we rolled out what's called TPO. This is that white membrane here, and it comes in 6 to 10 foot sections, and the seams are heat welded. It'll work perfect for your flat roof. Let's look at a seam right here. This is what we mean by heat welding a seam. On your typical roll roofing products, the seams are glued down, and the seams usually leak. They become vulnerable and compromised over the years. This seam right here is heat welded with a welding gun, and it makes this one monolithic sheet, and the seam becomes the strongest part of the roof system.